Are you looking to truly elevate your washer and dryer? Maybe you're buying a new home and replacing an old stacked washer and dryer, or maybe you're just doing some online research. Well, if you are, you need to be taking a look at what Electrolux has just come out with here in 2023. Everyone's heard of Electrolux, but did you know that they've been producing award-winning laundry for the last decade? Trade pros love them for their projects, and residential clients trust them for their families. As a whole, their laundry carries an almost 5-star rating and have been featured in notable publications from Better Home and Gardens, Reader's Digest to CNET. In 2023, Electrolux is expanding their award-winning washer and dryer lineup with their new laundry tower. This is an all-in-one unit, it's brand new, and has already been taking the luxury appliance industry by storm. Ask yourself, where do you put your stacked laundry units, or where would you put them if you had the option to? A laundry room, closet, mudroom, hallway, nook, or maybe even a small hallway closet? Well, let me tell you that the new Electrolux Laundry Tower is fully integrated, has a vertical layout, and it takes about half the floor space of a traditional stacked washer and dryer. But what if I tell you you won't have to sacrifice features or quality just to save space? This all-in-one unit is truly engineered for adaptability, and that means you're going to get a full-size washer and dryer. The washer is going to be about 4.5 cubic feet, and the dryer comes in at about 8 cubic feet. You'll be able to wash and dry just about anything without having to worry about being handicapped by size. To control the washer and dryer, the control panel is located right in the center of the unit. Washer controls are on the bottom, and dryer controls are right on the top. This is convenience, and this is going to allow anyone to use it. No need for that stepladder. One key design feature I also wanted to touch on before I move on is it's built into the design. This laundry tower is the only wash tower on the market where you can switch both the dryer and the washer doors. You can have the washer and dryer open up on the same side. Not only is the Electrolux Laundry Tower adaptable, but it is hassle-free when it comes to the day-to-day maintenance as well. So if you look right here, the washer door features a magnetic vent with a spring and a lock feature. This is going to allow the door to be almost fully closed while still letting fresh air flow through. You know why this is important? It's because it's going to help prevent buildup of those nasty odors. Another great mechanical feature is here. Electrolux has added an additional gasket material under the front lip of the drum that's going to help prevent clogging. This double lip design adds a layer of extra protection and virtually eliminates items getting through. So there's no need for that routine coin searching, trying to find things that may have gotten trapped in there. Before I show you the 3 different model offerings of the laundry towers, I wanted to take a quick snapshot into some of the features that make the washer and dryer a truly powerful yet efficient machine. The washer has a 15-minute fast wash and dry option. It's in just 30 minutes for wash and dry. You can quickly get a deep clean and dry for items that you need the most. For me, I'm thinking like gym clothes, because those add up pretty quick, and having to be able to wash those really fast, super helpful. They have an NSF certified sanitized setting, and this is going to kill 99% of bacteria, especially if you have kids. This is really helpful in pets and things like that. Unlike other washers, they have a smart boost feature and a technology that pre-mixes the water and detergent before the cycle begins, maximizing the cleaning power of the detergent. So the stains come out and the clothing has a longer shelf life. And then one last truly great feature here with the washers is their stain soak option. Electrolux will pre-mix the stain remover, laundry soap, and water to help soak the stains before the wash cycle even starts. So stains like grass, wine, food, blood, and things like chocolate don't stand a chance. The dryer has a few features itself to boast about, and one of the really cool ones that I like is the perfect steam. This is going to gently release wrinkles and reduce static by releasing the steam before the cool down to keep clothes looking their best. They have a predictive dry too. That's going to accurately predict the drying time depending on the moisture level to achieve optimal drying results. No more over drying things, because when you over dry your clothes, they don't last very long and they don't look very good too. So the moisture sensor and the Electrolux dryers are top of the line. They have an extended tumble where this setting gently tumbles your clothes without heat to keep them tangle free. This is going to be perfect for when you can't remove clothes right after the cycle ends. And then one last one, of course, is we can't forget that extra large capacity. You can do king size comforter, king size bed sheets with ease with that 8.0 cubic foot dryer. It's one of the biggest on the market. Now that we know a little bit more about Electrolux's new laundry towers, you may be asking, what are my options? Option 1 gives you the most features and a slightly larger washer that's available in both white and titanium colors. And there's a second option as well. Regardless of what you choose, you and your clothes are in good hands with Electrolux. We here at Atherton Appliance and Kitchens and BSC Culinary take extreme pride in giving you the best experience possible. As you may be aware, installations and delivery of appliances can be difficult and challenging. We've developed a solution called Constant Care that truly elevates your experience from start to finish, and it really starts with the Constant Care delivery and installation. We use factory-trained, first-party installers, no third-party, and these technicians are qualified and insured. We deliver and install everything that we sell, with the exception of plumbing, and ensure that your appliance installation is done according to all local codes and regulations. You can track the status of your order through our customer portal. You'll be able to keep an eye on the progress of your delivery driver. This is going to be great, especially for those larger projects. We have Constant Care Premier installation. You're going to receive a dedicated project manager. This person is going to be with you every step of the way. They're going to be your point of contact that's going to be able to answer any questions or issues that may arise. You're going to get 2 pre-site inspections, and this is going to make sure everything goes smoothly on your installation day, so there's no surprises or headaches. You're going to get a final fit and finish site visit just to make sure everything was installed to your satisfaction. Then you're going to get our Constant Care Plus. This is going to give you exclusive access to our concierge service team, and this is going to give you a direct line. You'll be provided a special email to ensure any delivery and installation issues are addressed quickly and efficiently. And in the event that a repair of one of your appliances needed, our team will handle the legwork of securing and scheduling an opportunity with the correct service provider, saving you time and any headache. You'll also get unlimited Constant Care evaluations. Our technical team is available to diagnose installation and appliance performance issues, both for your indoor and outdoor kitchens. Next, we have Constant Care support. We understand that you may have questions or issues after this sale, or you may experience post-delivery issues that need to be addressed. That's why we offer our fast resolutions to ensure that we are explaining our policies and positions clearly, and that you get the right person on our team to deliver the right answer right away. And it's going to finish up here with our Constant Care warranty. We've partnered with American Home Shield to provide a flexible and cost-effective way to protect the appliances you purchase from us. This makes breakdowns less costly and stressful for you. We here at Atherton Appliance and BSC Culinary are truly changing the luxury experience by providing our clients and trade professionals with a true end-to-end luxury experience. Please reach out to us. We love the opportunity to take the time to tackle your next project with us together. Lastly, I want to thank you again for tuning into my webinar. My name is Matt Mortensen, and I'm the Director of Trade and Business Development here at Atherton Appliance and Kitchens and BSC Culinary. If you have any questions or comments about any of the topics that we touched on today, I would be happy to address them. My email is matt@athertonappliance.com, or reach out to me if you'd like to visit one of our showrooms, either Atherton Appliance and Kitchens or BSC Culinary. I'd be able to help you out as well. And lastly, if you are looking for more information, go to our website and check out our blog, or check out our YouTube channel where we are updating videos weekly. Thanks.